Hey man, play another beat, bro. We about to kill some shit.
Hey man, get in the cypher. We all in the rap. Hey, come on, Josh. We off in the rap.
Come on, J Doug. Get up in that cypher, boy.
You can't rap, man.
I mean, I can go for it, nigga. Don't get it twisted. I just be fucking with you little niggas.
Come on, nigga. Hurry up and play the beat, nigga. We ready to get some shit.
Well, get that shit poppy.
Damn, nigga, some niggas screw.
I was having it,
Right in the
homie.
motherfucker, cuz.
What all with it, cuz?
Shut my fucking face, nigga.
Cameraman.
You the cameraman, nigga. Like that.
I said what's happening. It's that nigga Wolf Loke. You heard me. Never been no joke, nigga. Hold that for a nigga, man. Get up on this shit.
Get up on this trill shit, nigga. What you know about?
I said, bitch, nigga, tell me what's happening.
What's happening?
Nigga that's ready to get it, I pull them things out my jacket.
Yeah.
You're trying to fuck with me because you know that I'ma grab it, I'ma pull that trigger, nigga. Know I do damage. Automatic Tech 9, automatic Tech 9.
What?
It's that nigga that's ready to murk you. It's the body that they'll find under the fucking sewer.
Yeah.
Just believe that I would do you.
Do
I'm
ya?
a human eraser, nigga, human remover. And it's that nigga that's ready to get you, ready to murk that shit. That nigga that's ready to end your world. You know that it's the apocalypse. And I'm a crip, you a crip, I don't give a fuck. I still you out your chucks, nigga, because I'm fucking rough.
Yeah.
Anybody killer. Nigga, you know that I do my thing. That nigga that's ready to bang it, you already know that I snort up the nah, I ain't Tony, nigga. Not that nigga. Ready to murk these niggas, you already know that I'm a wild gorilla.
Yeah. Get on that shit. KTT, get up this shit.
Yeah.
Nigga.
What up? Niggas don't want drama.
What up, dog? What up, dog, with it, nigga? What up with it, nigga?
Hold up, nigga.